فلی تمام دوست اور بھائی جو ہیں وہ اپنے روزے اچھے گزارے ہوں گے اور آل آف یو وڈ بی فائن. مجھے امید ہے کہ اس سیزن میں کچھ نہ کچھ لرننگ کے لیے بھی، جیسے کرونا چل رہا ہے، ٹائم کافی حد تک ہوتا ہے، تو ہم جو ہے لرننگ پروسیس اپنا کنٹینیو کر کے رکھیں. یہ سپریم کورٹ میں ہم نے بیسکلی جو ہے ویب سائٹ پر اگر جائیں تو اس کی 2-3 ججمنٹس ہیں جو ہے وہ ہم نے پہلے ریڈ کی. ایک تو پہلے وہ تو ہم نے ایک تو پہلے کر لی تھی. خیر اینی ویز لیٹس گو ٹو دا جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ والی. ایک ہم نے یہ جو ہے /2020 جو 26 اپریل کو آئی تھی، اس کو جسٹس عمر تا بندیال جس کے آتھر تھے، اس کو ہم نے جو ہے وہ کر لی تھی، ریڈ ہم نے کر لی تھی. یہ شارٹ آرڈر جو آیا تھا ابھی 28 اپریل کو، اس کے بعد جسٹس منظور احمد ملک صاحب کا جو اس کا لانگ آرڈر جو اس کی ود ریزنز آ چکا ہوا ہے. آئی تھاٹ اٹ ٹو بی انٹرسٹنگ ٹو شیئر اٹ ود یو. لیٹس ہیو اے لک ایٹ اٹ، کیونکہ میں نے بھی نہیں پڑھا تو میں سوچا مائٹ از ویل جسٹ ریکارڈ اٹ along the process. اس میں جو ہے اس کو ہم اوپن کر لیتے ہیں. اس کو اوپن یہ بیسکلی جو ہے اگر ہم اس کو یہ بیسکلی منظور احمد ملک صاحب نے لکھا تھا. لیٹس ہیو اے لک ایٹ اٹ. 10 پیج کا یہ آرڈر ہے. I've had the منظور ملک صاحب لکھتے ہیں جو ابھی ریٹائر ہو گئے ہیں ریسنٹلی. I've had the privilege to read order dated 22/2/2021, the order of my learned Umar Ta Bandyal J, with which other learned members of the bench except me have concurred. I do agree with the conclusion drawn in para 31 sub para 2A of the order regarding numeric strength of bench to review the judgment of under order 26 Rule 8 of Supreme Court Rules 1980 SCR. Supreme Court Rules بڑے important, جہاں High Court Rules and Order ہم normally پڑھتے ہیں Supreme Court Rules بھی ہوتے ہیں. However, with respect, I have not been able to subscribe to several findings observations given in the order for reasons discussed hereunder. Through the instant miscellaneous application filed in the order, میں بتاتے چلوں کہ منظور ملک صاحب جو ہیں کرمنل کا کام تھرو آؤٹ کرتے رہے ہیں اور ہمارے چیف بھی رہے ہیں ہائی کورٹ میں، اور ان کی کافی ایک اسٹینڈنگ ہے کرمنل لاء میں، اسپیشلی نیب لاز ٹو بی پریسائز. Through the instant miscellaneous application filed under Order 8, Rule 8 of SCR, the applicants have prayed for constitution of bench for hearing of several review petitions filed against judgment passed by this court in Qazi Faiz Issa v. Pakistan number and connected petitions. 3A connected petition number 17 of 2019 and other connected petition filed under Article 184 subsection 3 184 para 3 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan Constitution were disposed through a short order dated 19/6/2020 by 10-member bench, larger bench of this court, of which I was also a member. The review petitioners are aggrieved mainly of para 3 to 11 of short order, to which 7 members of larger bench, including me, had concurred. Later on, detailed reasons of the short order dated 19/6/2020 recorded by my learned brother Umar Ta Bandyal J were released on 23/10, to which Justice Qadi Faiz Justice Faisal Arab added his concurring separate notes. 3 learned member bench of the larger bench passed separate minority judgments. Thereafter, a 7-member bench, review bench, was constituted by the پوری ہسٹری لکھی ہے کس طریقے سے یہ کیس ابھی تک پہنچا ہے. اس کو پہلے 3 member bench نے جو ہے اس کو concurring separate notes ڈالے تھے. 3 learned member bench of larger bench passed separate minority judgments تھی. Therefore, a 7-member bench was constituted by the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan to hear the review petitions. These petitions came up for hearing before the review bench of 28/10/2020. However, the matter was adjourned on the request of the review petitioners. In the meanwhile, Justice Faisal Arab superannuated on 4/11/2020 and retire ho gaye. Thereafter, the miscellaneous applications filed for reconstitution bench were fixed before a bench comprising of the 6 remaining judges by the order dated 11/11/2020 passed by the Honorable Chief Justice 8 CJ. It has been prayed in all such miscellaneous applications that the review petitions be heard by the same number of judges who have passed by the judgment under review, except the miscellaneous application filed by Mr. Munir Malik, ASC, representing the review petitioners in CRP number 296 of 20, and Ms. Serena Isa, review petition in CRP number 298 of 20, wherein they have prayed that the honorable judges, including judges who have passed the minority judgment, be part of the review bench. After hearing the applicant petitioners Ms. Serena Isa present in person in CRP this, अलग अलग petitions थी, कुछ इन्होंने की, कुछ ईसा जैसे आपकी वाइफ जो ईसा है उन्होंने की, कुछ उन्होंने उनके काउंसिल्स ने की, एंड लर्नड काउंसिल कुछ जो है बार काउंसिल्स थी, लर्नड काउंसिल for review petitioners at length and perusing the available record with their assistance, it is observed that so far as the question relating to numeric strength of the composition of the review bench is concerned, the same has two segments. Firstly, the question of numeric strength of the review bench, and secondly, what should be its composition, whether the bench should consist of only judges, should consist whether it should only consist of those judges who passed the majority judgment, or whether those judges who have passed a minority judgment, in this case 3 learned judges of this court, are also to be included in the review bench. A judgment, direction, order or decree passed by the court unanimously or by majority becomes the order of the bench, and order of the court, a simple word. The majority judgment order of the court is the judgment of the entire bench that had heard the original matter. Munir Malik, ASC, appearing on behalf of applicant CSA 70820, contended that order ये जो है 26 Rule 8 of SCR stipulates that as far as practicable, the application for review shall be posted before the bench that delivered the judgment or order. ये पढ़ लेते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल्स जो है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल्स को ज़रा निकाल लेते हैं यहाँ पे. Supreme Court rules. (1980) (26th) 26 Rule 8. (47) page number. Uh, 47. Review Rule 8. The paragraph number 8. As far as practicable, the application for review shall be posted before the same bench that delivered the judgment or order sought to be reviewed. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल्स में लिखा हुआ है, इसका रेफरेंस उन्होंने दिया है यहाँ पे. अब थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी आ गई है कौन से रूल्स की वो बात कर रहे थे. असेंबली majority number, ठीक है. As far as application shall be posted before the bench. Or he further contended that the same bench, including all the judges of the bench, whether in majority or minority, as the order of the bench or order of the court, in order to judge in an order is an order or judgment of all judges who were present, who were part of the bench that had delivered the judgment sought to be reviewed. To substantiate his contentions, learned counsel referred to para 26 and 27 of the judgment passed by a 7-member bench of this court in Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's case, where it was held that in terms of Rule 6 order, this Supreme Court Rule 1950, the review petition had to be heard by 7 judges of this court who had delivered the judgment under review and who were all available on the bench for the disposal of the review petitions, and the presence of the bench was necessary, as they were continuing as judges of the Supreme Court and were available of the disposal of the review petition. It is relevant to mention that the criminal appeal of Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto against this conviction sentence was heard by a 7-member full court bench of this court and was decided by a majority of 4 to 3 when the review petitions were posted for hearing. A question arose regarding inclusion of 3 judges who had dissenting with majority. In para 27, the final judgment where review was dismissed, Muhammad Akram J observed as under. At the subsequent stage, a question arose as to the position of three learned judges of this court who had recorded dissenting opinions in regard to the disposal of the petitioner's appeal. Again, lying upon the aforesaid Rule 6, we took the view that as they were part of the bench that delivered the judgment sought to be reviewed, their presence on the bench was necessary as they were continuing as judges of the सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड वर अवेलेबल फॉर द डिस्पोजल ऑफ द रिव्यू पिटिशन. तो ये रूल 6 की भी बात ही बीच में कर लेते हैं. In this backdrop, it has rightfully been observed in para 18 of the order and that it is not desirable to resolve this controversy because decision in ZS Bhutto's case was given by a 7-member bench, whereas to resolve the instant controversy, a 6-member bench is sitting, and unless the larger bench comprised of more than 7 judges re-examines the matter and arrives at a different conclusion, the decision of Bhutto's case is binding on the court. In the circumstances, I agree with the contention of the learned counsel for the applicant that the review petition shall be heard by the same bench that had delivered the judgment in order bench review, and the same bench including all the judges of the bench, whether in majority or minority, subject to the. अच्छा, ये इसमें बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट एक प्रिंसिपल डिसाइड हुआ है कि जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो केस में वो कहते हैं जी आपने डिसाइड हमने कर लिया था कि जो है वो कौन कौन सी जो मामलात हैं उसमें फुल बेंच, उसमें वो बेंच जो रिव्यू बेंच होगा उसकी कंपोजिशन क्या होगी. तो वो कहते हैं कि जी उस कंपोजिशन के हिसाब से हमने अगर हम इसको मज़ीद लेके चलें आगे तो वो ये कहते हैं कि रिव्यू बेंच जिसके सामने हमने उसमें कितने मेंबर होने चाहिए, जो डिसेंटिंग व्यू वाले हैं वो भी होने चाहिए कि नहीं होने चाहिए. जेड भुट्टोस की इसमें साइटेशन उन्होंने कोट की, उन्होंने कहा जी इसमें जो है वो उनकी भी तमाम जो है वो चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. मतलब जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो साहब की केस में डिसाइड हुआ था, वो ये कहते हैं कि जी इसमें वो भी बीच में होना चाहिए. मतलब उसी तरह रिव्यू बेंच में भी माइनॉरिटी ओपिनियन या डिसेंटिंग जजमेंट वाले या डिसेंटिंग व्यू वाले भी तमाम जजेस बैठे होने चाहिए. ये बिल्कुल दूसरा ने लिखा इन पैरा 28 ऑफ द ऑर्डर वाइल रेफरिंग टू पैरा 3 ऑफ द नोट जस्टिस Dharav Patel in the review petition at the Bhutto's case. It has been observed that judges who have been dissented with the majority view while sitting on the bench hearing the review ought to show maximum restraint and maintain judicial dignity and quietude, particularly when they had already expressed an opposite view in the original matter for convenience. Para 20 इसका वर्ड ये मज़े का एक क्वाइट्यूड का मीनिंग भी देख लेते हैं. A state of stillness, calmness and quiet. ठीक है. Quietude. Anyways, let's go back to judgment. वो कहते हैं जी उसने बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से कहते हैं original matter उसने बताया with the majority of the while sitting on the bench saying the review ought to show maximum restraint and maintain judicial dignity and quietude. The original matter for convenience para 28 of the order is reproduced herein, where we must now refer again to the Bhutto's case to read another valuable judicial observation. The brief judgment of Justice Dharav Patel, his lordship, is regarded as one of the titans of the law. Anything that fell from his pen is worthy of and warrants close attention. As noted, he had been in the he has been in the minority. ये थोड़ा सा बीच में हुआ है, इसको भी देख लेते हैं. फाइल इसको हम पहले इसमें जो है we must now refer to Z. Bhutto's case in another valuable in his lordship is regarded as one of the titans of the law, and anything that fell from his pen is worthy of and warrants close attention as noted. He had been majority in dismissing Mr. Bhutto's appeal and against conviction. In the concluding paragraph of its judgment, review Justice Robert reflected on how a judge who dissented sought to act if he called upon the silt in review of the matter. However, Mr. Yahya Buktiar's argument on the question of sentence was without prejudice to his main submission. which was that of the majority judgment suffered from the errors of apparent and record which had been resulted in dismissal of Mr. Bhutto's appeal. Now 2 weeks of this question, but as he has failed to persuade the judges who pronounced the majority judgment of the court to revise the finding of the guilt petitioners, it follows that the review petition must be dismissed. In review circumstances, consistently with judicial dignity and the practice of court, I do not think it would be proper for me to make any observation on learned counsel for the submission, and I would dismiss the petition for the reasons given herein. अच्छा जी, कहते हैं clearly from the foregoing Justice Durab Patel believed that the question whether a case had been made out for the review of the judgment was in the final analysis essentially something for the judges who actually delivered a judgment and review decide if those judges were not so persuaded. So ये भी हो गया. There are two options that Durab Patel is one of the there are no two opinions of the Durab Patel. Justice Durab Patel, justice in one of the stalwarts of judicial fraternity of this country. Every word, order, and judgment penned down by the Lordship is of immense legal significance. It is, however, appears that while drawing the conclusion para 20 of the order, perhaps para 2 of his Lordship Justice Durab Patel noted that Bhutto's case escaped the attention of my learned brother. In this para, my Lord Justice Durab Patel had fully discussed the argument canvassed by learned counsel for the review petitioner, Mrs. Wali Bhutto, for ready references and fully grasps the spirit of para 3 of the, which was being referred to in order 7. It is imperative to produce para 2 of this Lordship note, as submitted by Mr. Yahya Mukhtar. There, reproduce kiya hai uska order. It is thus clear that the force of para 2 that Durab J was conscious of his jurisdiction and exercising his judicial power while hearing the review petition, gave his own observation on merits and then subscribed to the conclusion drawn by Akram J, who wrote the review petition. In this context, the opinion of Justice Abdul Qadir Sheikh expressed in the case of Federation of Pakistan vs. Muhammad Akram Sheikh is also relevant. This case primarily dealt with the question of bias in relation to some judges of hearing the review petition, while relying on the judgment of this court with regard to the question of issuance of a writ against judges of the Supreme Court. Justice Abdul Qadir Sheikh observed that the above reviews expressed by Cornelius C.J. Justice Cornelius and Muhammad Yaqub Ali CJ are weighty principles of law, and I am clearly of the opinion that one set of judges of this bench, which has been constituted by my Lord the Chief Justice, cannot issue a direction to the other set of judges or any other judges of the bench not to associate themselves in the hearing of the review petition. I cannot conceive of a situation where the one judge of a divisional bench constituted by my Lord Chief Justice to hear a case and direct the other judge of the bench not to hear the case on the ground that he has a bias or an interest in the case, or for the matter or any other ground whatsoever. If this bar were not to exist, then it would amount to permitting the judges to destroy or take away the judicial function or power of each other, in which position is neither conceived nor permitted in the Constitution. अच्छा, जहाँ तक मुझे समझ आती है, एज फार एज आई कैन रिकॉल, ये जो जजमेंट इन्होंने दी थी जस्टिस ये जो अभी पिछले दिनों केस एक हुआ जिसमें मुझे उसका नाम टाइटल अब ज़हन से निकल गया है, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि जस्टिस काजी फरीसा जो गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड मामला नहीं सुनेंगे, ये उसको अब उसका रिबटल दे रहे हैं मंजूर मलिक साहब के. ये किसी भी सूरत में, जैसे कर्नेलियस को उन्होंने रिप्रोड्यूस किया या अफरीदी को रिप्रोड्यूस किया, किसी सूरत में एक फेलो जज दूसरे इस लॉ को सेटल डाउन कर दिया कि दूसरे जज को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दे सकता कि आप कौन से केस में सुन सकते हैं, कौन से केस को नहीं सुन सकते, क्योंकि रीजनिंग उन्होंने साथ दी हुई है. I have not been able to set my hand on any provision of the Constitution and SCS Supreme Court rules that limits the jurisdiction and judicial powers of a minority judge while sitting in review of the order of the bench or order of the court was against those who had delivered the majority judgment. In my humble view, the observation given in paragraph 28 of the order, the judges who dissent with the majority judgment ought to show maximum restraint and while sitting on the bench hearing the review may give an impression of undermining the judicial independence and any other judge. Indeed, the grounds for review are limited and apply equally to both judges who rendered the majority view and the judges who rendered the minority view. In this backdrop, with utmost respect, I do not and cannot persuade myself to subscribe to observation finding of my learned brothers given in paragraph 28 of the order. Lastly, I would also like to observe that the term master of the roster used in para 22 of the order cannot be understood to mean that Chief Justice has unfettered discretion regarding constitution of benches. In fact, that discretion vested in the office of the Honorable Chief Justice, for constitution of benches is to be exercised in structured manner according to SCR. मंजूर मलिक साहब, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट एक डिसीजन है, आप समझ सकते हैं ये थोड़ा सा प्रोसीजरल मामलात में चला जाता है, और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उनके लिए परहैप्स इंपॉर्टेंट होगा ज़्यादा कि आपने उनमें बता रहे हैं कि जो बेंच की जो कॉन्स्पोजिशन की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होती है, ये उसको रीट्रेट कर रहे हैं, जजमेंट फ्रॉम जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो's केस, जजमेंट फ्रॉम रीट्रेशन फ्रॉम द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ जस्टिस कॉर्नेलियस, जस्टिस याह्या अफरीदी, ये बीच में उनकी रिप्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, ये बोल के कि हम जो है वो बेसिकली बताना ये चाह रहे हैं कि हम लोग जो हैं वो आप किस तरीके से जो है वो बता रहे हैं कि आप कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ बेंचेस या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ बेंचेस में आप किसी भी तरह से चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान एक सर्टन लेवल से ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव नहीं हो सकते, सर्टन लेवल से ज़्यादा वो बीच में जो है वो अपनी डिस्क्रेशन नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते। रीज़न उन्होंने ये दिया कि क्योंकि आप किसी एक जज दूसरी जज को, ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल में लिखा हुआ है ना किसी और जजमेंट में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि आप किसी जज को, दूसरे जज की पावर्स को ब्लॉक करें या कर्व करें। तो जो उन्होंने जैसे काजी फरीसा की ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाई थी, वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन उन्होंने इस चीज़ से वाइप ऑफ की है जैसे मंजूर मलिक साहब ने, कि जी हम आपको ये चीज़ अलाउ करते हैं, आप किसी भी जज में बैठ सकते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट केसेस में भी आप बैठ सकते हैं जैसे काजी फरीसा, क्योंकि अब आपको पता है कि वो क्यों स्कॉट फ्री हो चुके हैं। अभी उन्होंने एक ये वन ऑफ द CPs है, वन ऑफ द पिटिशन उन्होंने ये डिस्पोज ऑफ की हैं। अभी इसकी और भी बीच में आएंगी 3-4 और जो जिसमें डिटेल रीजंस होंगे। ये सिर्फ इस हद तक है कि वो जो उनका ऑर्डर था कि आप नहीं बैठ सकते, उस ऑर्डर के अगेंस्ट जो उन्होंने रिव्यू किया था उसके उन्होंने जो है वो रिव्यू को एक्सेप्ट किया। उन्होंने कहा है कि आप किसी भी जजमेंट, किसी भी जो ऑर्डर है जो गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट भी केसेस हैं उसको आप सुन सकते हैं जैसे काजी फरीसा। तो ये उन्होंने ये चीज़ बेसिकली इस पर मेंशन की है। तो ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो चीज़ की थी किस तरह रिव्यू में जाके सेम बेंच ने उस चीज़ को वाइप ऑफ किया। मंजूर अहमद मलिक साहब बीइंग द सीनियर, इन्होंने ये ऑर्डर टाइप किया है, ऑर्डर मतलब ऑर्डर लिखा है, ही इज़ द राइटर एंड ऑथर ऑफ द ऑर्डर, और उन्होंने ये बताया कि जी आप किसी जज को कर्व नहीं कर सकते, कोई भी किसी इवन चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान भी कर्व नहीं कर सकता किसी एक तरह का केस सुनने या ना सुनने पे। तो ये भी बड़ी एक अच्छी समझ ले हैं, लेकिन जो हम जिस ऑर्डर का जजमेंट का वेट कर रहे हैं वो जजमेंट अभी नहीं आई, वो भी 1-2 दिनों में मे बी यहाँ पे हो जाए। थैंक यू।